Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for the best drone in 2026 for aerial photography, travel videos, or professional content creation, this video is for you. Today, I've selected the top 5 best drones on Amazon 2026 based on camera quality, flight performance, range, smart features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 8K camera drone with touchscreen remote control. This high-end drone is designed for advanced users and professional quality aerial filming. 8K ultra-high resolution camera, 3-axis gimbal with EIS anti-shake, 7.2-inch HD touchscreen remote control, 5G GPS positioning system, brushless motors, 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, airdrop function, 3 smart lithium batteries, carbon fiber quadcopter body. This drone delivers extremely sharp video quality with excellent stabilization. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth footage even in windy conditions. The large touchscreen remote makes flight control and live viewing very convenient, while the laser obstacle avoidance system adds a strong safety layer. Pros: outstanding 8K video quality, large HD touchscreen controller, advanced obstacle avoidance system, strong battery performance, premium build quality. Cons: higher price compared to other models, not ideal for complete beginners. This is one of the best professional-level drones available on Amazon in 2026. Number 2. 8K camera drone with 4.5-inch LCD remote. This drone offers high-resolution performance at a more affordable price. 8K camera, 4.5-inch LCD display remote, 3 batteries included, 5G HD transmission, brushless motors, GPS auto return, obstacle avoidance. The drone performs well for both photography and video. The LCD screen is bright and responsive, and the GPS return to home feature helps prevent loss. It's a good option for users who want 8K capability without a premium price. Pros: good value for money, high-resolution camera, stable flight performance, multiple batteries included. Cons: smaller screen size, obstacle avoidance is limited. A solid mid-range 8K drone, suitable for hobbyists and content creators. Number 3. Bwine F7 Mini 4K Video 8K Photo Drone. This lightweight drone is designed for beginners and travelers. 4K video recording and 8K photo capture, 3-axis gimbal with EIS, up to 96 minutes total flight time, under 249 grams, FAA registration not required, over 6 kilometers transmission range, AI GPS smart flight modes. Despite its compact size, this drone offers stable video quality and long flight time. The smart flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint, and Orbit make it easy to use for beginners. Pros: lightweight and portable, long flight time, beginner-friendly controls, stable gimbal performance. Cons: does not record true 8K video, average low light performance. One of the best beginner drones under 249 grams in 2026. Number 4. Ruko U11 Mini 4K Drone. This drone focuses on ease of use and long-range transmission. 4K video and 8K photo capability, 3-axis gimbal with EIS, 96 minutes flight time, up to 20,000 feet FPV transmission, GPS with beeper, AI-assisted takeoff and landing. The long-range transmission and GPS beeper make this drone reliable for outdoor use. Flight control is smooth, and the drone is easy to operate even for new users. Pros: long-range FPV transmission, easy for beginners, reliable GPS features, lightweight design. One of the best beginner drones under 249 grams in 2026. Number 5. Contixo F36 GPS Drone with 4K camera. This drone is designed for simple and stable flight. 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, up to 2 miles transmission range, 25 minutes flight time, brushless motors, follow me and 1-key return. No FAA registration required. The Contixo F36 is easy to control and offers smooth flight performance. The Follow Me feature works well for casual filming, making it suitable for beginners. Pros: easy to fly, stable video output, good range, affordable pricing. Cons: shorter flight time, no obstacle avoidance. A good entry-level GPS drone for casual users. These are the top 5 best drones on Amazon 2026. For professional features, choose the 8K touchscreen drone. For budget-friendly 8K performance, choose the LCD remote. For beginners and travel, the Bwine F7 Mini or Ruko U11 are ideal. For simple everyday use, the Contixo F36 is a solid option. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.